Hey everybody, I just wanna say, how are you guys? Hope everyone doing okay in this pandemic. It is very hard to find time to do things with this coronavirus going on, and it is hot. And wow, it's such a beautiful look. I just want to show you guys. Sorry. Yep. So, anyway, um, I didn't have my tripod, so and I got a new mod. It is a kind of performance mod. Well, it's part of performance mod, you can say. And that is, let me show it to you guys. It's such a nice, breezy day, but when you step in the sun, good lord, it's hot. It's hot, hot. It's hot, hot. All right. Opening the hood. You all know what it is. That's great. But you ready? You ready? You ready? All right, let's do it. Sneak peek. Oh shoot! What is that? Man, yeah, I get the Infiniti version, not the Alpha version, because my boy works at the dealership, and he hooked me up with this. And besides, it's cheaper too, I believe, if you buy the Infiniti version instead of the Alpha logo. But I did want to buy. Sorry, I did want to purchase the BMS heat exchanger. There's one with I believe it was a $399 version, which is made in USA, and there is one with $299, which is made in China. I mean, the quality it's nice. It is nice. I mean, I don't think it's very much different besides the made in different, country. But the reason why I got this is for the warranty. My car still has under warranty, so I don't want to mess with it. And not just that, it is proven reliable. And second, it has more percentage of holding the coolant. So I got that. I mean, it is very hard to see the inside, but since it is covered by the intake, the intake. But yeah, I got that. I mean, it is very nice. The car doesn't, heat soak like fast. When the stock heat exchanger, man, like after you do like what? I think I did 2 pulls, and wow, the car felt like it's not having the same power again. But yeah, a lot of people ask me whether I should go the Alpha heat exchanger, the Infiniti one, Alpha heat exchanger, or the Infiniti version. They're the same thing. It's just by the logo and stuff. Or BMS heat exchanger, the Mishimoto one, and PLM, and Frozenboost. So I mean, again, it is up to you, and it's your decision. I can't push you what you buy, and also depending on your budget. So always look into your budget, how much you want to spend, and please, during this pandemic, don't spend too much money. I mean, I'm just letting you know. You never know what happened to you the next day. So buy whatever fit in your budget. And I heard like Boost in Motion, his heat exchanger is doing pretty well, but he did said on one of his videos that he kind of regretted of having it. He wanted to have the Infiniti version of the Alpha heat exchanger, but again, it is really up to you. I'm not sure how much the BMS heat exchanger holds, just because I don't see it. Maybe if you find it, great, let me know. But I just recommend, factory. It's so easier, it's easier, and then the dealership won't give you, some BS stuff. So again, I'm sorry if the video too long, but if you have any other question, just comment below. I am a new YouTuber, so I'm trying to make content for you guys. Let me know what you want to do. I do car detailing. I review products, so make sure you check that out. It's an old video, and at that time was not very good at like video editing, and I was just using my phone. Right now I'm using a better quality camera, so stay tuned for more content. Peace out.